Hello again, folks. Today I want to take a quick look at this really cool flashlight I had, and it's from the company Renology. It's the E.LUMEN 500 multifunction flashlight, and there's a lot of stuff going on with this flashlight, and I'm just going to be going through the basics first with the physical features. There you got a safety hammer, and I believe this is for breaking glass, and you got a seat belt cutter right there. And yeah, here you got the solar charging panel. You got a compass behind here, and if you're going to unscrew that, here you got the charging port, because this thing functions both. I mean, it charges with the solar panel, or you could charge it with your USB, I believe micro USB-C. And then you got another plug here that acts sort of like a power bank. You could plug in small electronics, and it's a power bank pretty much. So let's put that on back. And here you got a magnet, I believe, that you can stick it on the side of your car. So the whole point behind this flashlight, I believe, is to kind of, it's like a little backup multifunction flashlight you want to keep in your car in case of emergencies. So, I mean, I guess that's about everything. It's pretty much made of, I believe it's aluminum, but it's pretty tough and it's not too heavy. Now we're going to be going through the different functions, the different light modes. And there you got the headlights. And if you click that power button one time, you get the first one, click it again, it gets dimmer. And then if you click it a third time, it's pretty much gonna kind of blink. And then on the side here you got your floodlights, and I believe if you click on this and hold it for 3 seconds, the first mode gets activated. So after 3 seconds or so, you take your hand off, and then you get that, and you click it one more time, and it's going to get dim. And so there's one more function or light mode, and that's the red strobe light. And so if you click it and leave your hands on it more than that 3 seconds, it's going to cycle through that other mode. So let's click it for 3 seconds, or I guess 4. Okay, so there you're going to have that third mode on the side, the light strobe mode. And I guess this would come in handy if you wanted to be seen from vehicles coming or whatever, some kind of caution light. And if you click it one more time, it's going to slow down. And then you turn it off. But that's about it. I mean, this flashlight has everything. Well, almost everything, but it's perfect. This is something I would recommend everyone have in their vehicle, just because it's pretty nice. And I think to charge it through the solar panel, it's going to be about takes about 30 hours, I believe. And if it's through if you're charging it through the USB, then it's going to be about 6 hours. But I guess that's pretty much about it. If I missed something, please let me know, and let me know what you think about this, and if you have something similar. Thank you.